Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
Using the pen tools in the toolbox allows you to create drawn objects with borders that you create by hand. You can select the pen tool from the toolbox. It's located right here. We'll right-click and we'll see it shares a spot with some other tools that we're going to talk about. We'll give it a click. Then you click into your image to add anchor points at the locations where you click. You don't need to drag, you just click like that. And as you click around, you'll see that Photoshop will fill in the area for you. Then, to complete it and to end the shape or close it, you go back to the beginning. You'll see a small loop appear when you're in the right spot. Give it a click and that will close your shape for you. Now, up in the options bar, you can also click the Auto Add and Delete checkbox that we have checked here. And that will allow the pen tool to automatically add an anchor point when you click on a line segment and automatically delete an anchor point when you click it after adding it. Another handy feature that you can enable is called the rubber band. You can access this by clicking the Pen Options drop down up in the options bar right here and selecting rubber band with the little checkbox. What that will do is that as you add your anchor points, you'll actually be able to see the visible line that's being drawn as you draw your shape. If you select the Freeform pen tool, the next one here, you'll simply click and drag the outline of the object that you wish to create by hand. So you just click and drag to draw. Now, whenever you release your mouse, it will automatically fill in the area with the selected color or the style that you have selected from your ending point back to your origin point. You can also check the magnetic checkbox right up here in the options bar to make this tool behave like the magnetic lasso selection tool. And that will draw a line around the pixel edges based on contrast of the underlying image. So we could go to another image, for example, and you can use it to draw around an existing shape and it will snap to those pixelated lines like that. Now you can use the shape options drop down to set the options for width and contrast and frequency of the magnetic line drawn as well. So you can click and drag around there. We'll do a quick drawing here. And we'll go back to the beginning and release, and you'll see your drawing there. So that's how you use the various pen tools.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.